Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. As you can tell, I'm in the car. We are on a road trip today with the family. We are ending our vacation actually, so we're driving from Utah back down to California, and it's been a long 6 days of just eating like garbage. So I wanted to share a what I eat in a day road trip edition, and I wanted to share some tips and tricks on things I like to do to help me not eat like complete trash on a road trip, because as you know, it's kind of tricky sometimes because you stop at gas stations and it's hard to have access to decent food. It's just kind of tricky. So I wanted to share the couple things that I do, things I like to eat that help me just kind of stay somewhat on track. First thing that I like to do is always have a big thing of water with me. I take this with me everywhere, but especially on a road trip, it's so good to just obviously stay hydrated, but again, it helps with your digestion, your metabolism. Water literally helps with everything, so it's good to just make sure you have water on hand. Next thing I like to do is always make sure that I have some snacks with protein in them, because as you know, it is so easy to basically just eat carbs and sugar when you're on vacation. It's what's most accessible to you. Gas stations are full of it. Fast food, it's a lot of carbs. So I always like to have a couple protein snacks with me. These are my favorite protein bars. This is a Built Bar. Thank you to Built Bar for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you've never had a Built Bar before, you are missing out. Built Bars are the best tasting protein bars I have ever tried in my life. I'm not even kidding. So Built Bars, they have 130 calories and 17 grams of protein, and the cookies and cream flavor is to die for. It is delicious. It tastes kind of like a Moon Bar. It's like you bite into it and it's just so soft, so chewy. It doesn't get stuck in your teeth like some protein bars do, which I love. The taste and the texture, the combination is truly, it's unmatched. When my husband and I ordered these for the first time, we tried them. Obviously, you don't know what a protein bar is gonna taste like. We looked at each other and we're like, immediately went and ordered more because they are that good. So we're actually about to leave. It's morning time. We're about to leave on our road trip. And so I'm gonna kick off the day with some protein with my Built Bar because it's so good. If you are on the hunt for a delicious and nutritious protein bar, Built is the way to go. It is, the taste and the texture, just the combination it's unreal. It really is. So I actually have a code with them. I will put that on the screen right here, and then I'll also link that in the description box with a link to Built Bar, where you can just click there, shop with my discount code, try them out. You will not be disappointed. Oh, they're the best. So Timmy and Davis are in Walmart. They are grabbing a couple snacks because we were about to hit the road. I'm nervous. We have 6 hours with 2 kids, a 2-year-old and an 8-month-old. Fingers crossed. Oh, but before we take off, I will also show you what I like to do for cold snacks. So I always carry like this big lunch pail, and I put a little ice pack in there, and then I can just pack a bunch of berries. We have raspberries, blackberries, we have some bananas, just anything that we want to keep cold, drinks for the kids, just really easy snacks that make it to where they're not just eating gas station and fast food for 6 days straight. So pro tip, take a lunchbox, ice pack, and then you can just transfer everything into your hotel room refrigerator. It's perfect. So they did not have any cold waters in Walmart, which is a bummer. So Timmy just ran in the gas station, but here's the couple snacks that they got at Walmart. They grabbed apple chips, banana chips, coconut chips. And what I love about this brand is the ingredients. Literally, it's just apples, bananas, and then the coconut ones is coconuts, sea salt, and then there is cane sugar in the coconut ones. But I just love that they're like, these two are single ingredient and they're so good. So love those. And then they also got dried mango, pistachios. Love pistachios for a little crunch. Oh, those are the best. And then, oh, he knows me so well, Body Armor Lights. So if I don't feel like drinking water or I'm just feeling something else, Body Armor Lights are the best. They're 20 calories. And they have coconut water in them as well, so good for hydration, and they're not like complete garbage for you. So love Body Armor Lights. They're so good.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
The boys are sleeping. They have these apple chips. And coconut chips. We've been on the road about 2.5 hours. It is now lunchtime, so we just stopped at lunch, and there's literally nowhere to eat except Taco Bell and Carl's Jr. So we stopped at Taco Bell, and I got a steak protein bowl. Really good. I'll show you guys, but it's definitely like the best thing that you can get at Taco Bell. Again, not great for you. It's hard on road trips, which is why I say to try to do healthy-ish snacks, because the actual meals are really hard to come by if you're trying to stay on track. Can you stop pulling my hair? Ow. Benny. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at I Spy book.
I Spy book? Are you reading some books? His tail. Are you reading books? So it's been about an hour since we ate lunch, and we're gonna have some pistachios. There's not many left, but pistachios and a little Body Armor light drink. This is the blueberry pomegranate. Really good. 20 calories, made with coconut water. It's delicious. Oh, are you sad? You ready for some pistachios?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's have some.
Let's do it. You want to cheers me? Try it.
Sometimes I will meet a lady.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on.
So I took a little snooze. How long was my snooze? 30 minutes?
2 hours.
No, it was not. It was maybe 30 minutes. And I was woken up like 4 times by Davis asking if I was still sleeping. And then woke up to this disgusting dust storm outside. Look at that. It is so gross out there. We're 2 hours from home and really feeling itchy to get back, huh?
Hour and 10 minutes away from home. 2 hours traffic.
Hour and 10 minutes. Oh, yeah, we're gonna be in a lot of traffic, which sucks.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can go.
Road trip snacks.
Health.
Health as well.
I can go.
We've been,
Yeah.
did you get a cup?
No. I'll make some next time.
We've been promising him ice cream for like 2 days. So we've been 4 hours in the car and thought it was time. You know, it's important not to be too hard on yourself on road trips, because especially when you're with kids, it's hard. It's borderline not fun at all.
Dance through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on and on.
So it's been a little bit, and it's time for another snack. So I'm gonna try this organic dried mango that Timmy got from Walmart. You wanna try some? You? Or no?
Wow, that's really good.
That's very good. And the only ingredient is organic mango. That's delicious. Davis, do you want one? Want some mango? Really good. Good choice. Good choice.
And on we'll go.
All right, we're about 5 minutes from our house. Sorry if you can hear Cocomelon in the back. We are all very ready to get out of the car. Cocomelon has been a lifesaver the past hour. He hasn't made a peep. So our road trip is coming to an end, and we are very excited about it. So if you're going on a road trip soon, don't forget to always pack your water, pack your insulated lunchbox. You can pack a ton of good healthy snacks, and then get your protein snacks on deck. So if you want to buy some Built Bars, don't forget to use my code. I will put it right here on the screen, and then I will also link it in the description box below. And I think that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.